then right above the sink is the Excel hardware pull down dish rack. You can have it right in front of you, and this is the world first stainless steel matte black series. You actually R&D a lot to finally achieve this result. If it's too heavy, a lot of things, right, you can actually adjust the weight through this toggle.
Okay, as you can see, my space here is very tight, so I need to maximize my space. So we have from Excel hardware, their pull out system.
And this is also the stainless steel matte black series.
Yeah. It's very good for like L-shaped spaces. Okay, otherwise the corner will be 浪费掉。Yeah, 然后我就把我的锅全部放在里面。
But okay, this is one way to extend the space. Then 还有嘞
Another one is this one over here.
这个是什么
Pull. Okay, 这个是那个 full extension 的 pull out drawer. Yeah, 所以我可以装我的这些撒巴浪的东西。
对。
OK， 你看多一个东西。
OK。
这个，晶晶。
All the snacks.
No, the thing is, right, I just came back yesterday. Then when I come inside here, right, I open this drawer. Wow, full already, yeah. Over here, also from Excel hardware, we have the pens rack. Then I can pull out and hang my pens. Then I can organize my pens easier. Okay, then right over here, we also have all the hinges from Excel hardware. And at the bottom, I have the pull out drawer system from them, so I can organize my clothes easier. And it's self-closing. Okay, then right over here in my wardrobe, okay, I have their jewelry drawer for me to put all my jewelries. And a very special thing over here is not just a normal drawer, it's a safe box. Okay, so if I open it, ting ting, I can hide the more important stuffs inside. Okay, and right now there's nothing. Okay, only got money.
Shop now at excelhw.com.sg, a Singapore brand.